So don't let anyone tell you that karting isn't a dangerous sport. Jumping inches above the ground and top speeds of, I don't know, 10 miles per hour, something bad is going to happen. And it's no use trying to dodge it, because there's always going to be more up ahead. Even if you have a clear run, you just can't take your eyes off. And there's your victim, Mr. Cameraman, always in the line of fire, trying to get the best shot. That was just too close. And no one cares. Mr. Slag Brother here just says they've been making their car for 2 months. Well, this guy is just taunting us with his head. I'm now writing to Red Bull because they may hold a fun, no one might get hurt in Argentina race full of colourful costumes and creative vehicles, and they may have a barrier that's just high enough for kids to look over while offering some protection, but there are still people having to sit here. And someone needs to think about that cameraman.